We're at the garage today to fabricate the base for the electrical motor that will be going into red current for the electrical project. We had taken out the old mountings from the diesel engine, and we will be using them as a base to connect to the same holes in the boat, and then the frame will be fabricated on top of these mountings. So Ian here is cleaning all the pieces from the shaft and the water pump that will be going into the system for the electrical project, and also some of the fittings had to be fabricated and adjusted to be modified for the job. So the frame for the electrical motor is being assembled now by using a 60 by 60 angle steel 6mm thickness, and the holes will go into the old mountings and the bearings will be going underneath for the shaft.
So I have collected the shaft. Shaft is ready. The tube, the new staying gland, and we have the rope cutter We have fixed the rope cutter as well. We have constructed this new thing to hold it as it was missing. That's the propeller. Need to clean everything. That's the rudder shaft. Over there, and the other stuff for the rudder. This okay. So I had bought the plumber block for our gearbox. It works with a collar. So we're gonna have one locks from this side and the other one will lock from this side on the other plumber block. It's a 40 millimeter. So we're gonna have a shaft of 40 millimeter for the drive. These are the measurements from center of the hole to center is 145 and the whole long length is 190. Now I'm gonna give a clean everything so these can be ready to be installed. This is the seawater pump, which we have to now I have to find an electromagnet, which we have to make the electromagnetic clutch on this one. We will explain later in detail why. Just drill the holes for the mountings. Took it apart and realigned it. I have perfect 90 degrees over here. I welded it with CO2. Still temporary but much stronger than before. I've drilled also the holes for the plumber bearing on both sides. I just need to go and test in place and check that the mountings and the alignment, it's all good. Thanks for now.